Hello, this is part 1 of our subtraction videos for week 3's home learning. Now, we are going to be looking at missing subtrahend questions today. That is our main focus, but we'll also have a little look at the relationship between subtraction and addition. Now, last week we were looking at missing addend questions, where part of the calculation was missing for us to find the total of a number. Now today we are looking at the missing subtrahend. Now the subtrahend number is a number that is being taken away from another number. So in this example here, I have my minuend, which is in this example my big number, taking away my subtrahend, which I don't know yet, and I get the difference. My answer of the whole sentence is the difference. So we have our minuend, our subtrahend, and our difference. But our main focus is the subtrahend. So I'm going to rub out these words just now so we've not got too much on our board at once. So here we have our missing subtrahend question. 10 take away something equals 4. So to help me, I'm going to start off with concrete counters, or in this case, pasta. Now I should have 10 here, so let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 counters here. Now there's a few different ways we can work out the answer to this subtrahend question, but I'm going to start off with using my 10 counters, and I'm going to see how many I take away before I am left with 4. So I'm going to start taking some away. Do I have 4 left? Nope, I've still got too many, so I'm going to keep going. Do I have 4 left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, I've got 5 left. I need to take away another one. There we go. So I have 4 left. So I had 10, and I've taken away a number to leave me with 4. So let's see how many I took away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I took 6 away from my 10 to leave me with just 4. So I could write 6 in here. 10 take away 6 is 4. Now I know other facts to do with these numbers. If I put a plus sign here, I could see that 4 add 6 equals 10. Or if I swap them around, I could also have 6 add 4 equals 10. So I can see here that all these numbers are the same as the numbers that are in this equation. 10 take away 6 equals 4. 6 add 4 equals 10. That's because all these numbers are part of a fact family. So to begin with, I have used 10 counters and I've taken 6 away to leave me with 4. That's one way to work out my answer. Another way could be looking at my fact families and saying, I've got 4 here. What number do I add to 4 to get 10? And I could look at this. So I've got my 4 here. What number do I add to it? And I put my pasta there to get 10 in total. And I would have my total sum here. Another strategy could be, let's get our 10 counters again, or sorry, our 4 counters. And we could be adding on, we're counting on. So I'm going to look at my final number, my 4 here. I've got my 4 here. So how do I work out how much makes 10? So let's see, I've got my 4. I'm going to add 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've counted on to get to 10. So I have my 4 and I've got my 6 that are left, just like we had with this bottom set of fact families here. Okay, because my number is 10 and I have 10 fingers, you could also use your fingers to count backwards. So I might have 10 fingers. I can't unfortunately show you because because I'm holding my phone with my other hand, I can't put all 10 fingers out. If you imagine I have both hands out here and I could take away my numbers 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and take away another one from my other hand, 4. I'm left with 4. I could have a look and see how many fingers I have put down in total to get my answer, and that should still be 6. Okay, so we've looked a little bit of counting on, using addition to help us solve our subtraction, or we have now used some fingers or some counters to help us. This is part 1 of the videos. Click the link for part 2 to see the next strategy.